So I need filters for this return for our AC, and I just got them, and here they are. We get 3 of them for 36 bucks, and that's what they look like. So yeah, check them out. And now all I gotta do is put one up there. I'm gonna save those right there for a second. And now those I use for that. I think they're 17.5 by 17.5, so they should fit perfect. Step 1, I got to take the old filter out. So I got to get up here. If you notice, there's just 2 little latches. Just go like that. And yeah, there's this one. Comes right out. You can see it's a little dirty. And if you want to see the name on the side, it's Filter King. 17.5 by 17.5. So this one will go in the garbage, right? Then we'll get one of our new ones. See the difference? So you got to change these, otherwise you're going to, it's not good if you don't. It tells you which way to do it on the side there. You see this? So you look at it and it says airflow. So airflow, so I got to put it like this because the airflow is going to go up, right? It's pulling air out of here. So yeah. So I'm just going to set her up in there, just like that. You got to get over these little bumps on either side. And sometimes you got to pull it. There we go. I think I'm in. This one don't want to go in. All right, here we go. Go. That didn't work, did it? Shoot. Right, there we go. There we go. Oh, I got it. And bam, we just changed our air filter. And you need to do that if you want to have, lower bills on your AC. If you like this video, check out my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on AC filters. Peace out.